You are going to love 2021 GV80. The Genesis GV80 is a stylish luxury SUV with third-row seating for all your hauling needs. The exterior has a distinctive and sophisticated look with an interior that is even more impressive. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic sunroof, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.